Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online classes from Arkham House Public Boys High School. Today I am going to teach you subject Science, class 7, chapter number 1, Human Organ System. Here is chapter number 1, Human Organ System. Let's start reading from page number 4. Here is page number 4. Digestive system. Digestive system is a complete system in human body used to break down the food whatever we eat and then digest it and give energy to our body. Start reading. Our body needs energy and food to move, grow and to stay alive. Our body cells cannot use the food in the form it is eaten by us. Our body changes it into simpler form. The process of changing the food into simpler form is called digestion. The parts of body take part in the process of digestion form the digestive system. First of all, the importance of digestive system is described as we cannot use food directly. Now what is digestion? Digestion is the process in which we change food into simpler or smaller form. Next question is digestive system. What is digestive system? The part which helps in digestion form digestive system like teeth, stomach, small intestine and large intestine, etc. Now, where and how digestion occurs? The process of digestion occurs in a long tube called alimentary canal. It starts from the mouth and ends at the anus. This figure shows the digestive system, human digestive system. First part is mouth, by which food is entered. Second, esophagus. Esophagus carries food to the stomach. Next, liver and pancreas. They both use in digestion system by secreting their secretions. Next, stomach, which stores food. Small and large intestine perform their functions such as absorption of water or digestion of protein, etc. Rectum and anus, by which feces excreted out from our body. Let's start mouth. The process of digestion begins from our mouth. Our teeth break the food into small pieces by cutting and grinding. The tongue mixes food with saliva, which is secreted by salivary glands. Saliva starts digestion of carbohydrates such as starch and sugar. After some time, the food is in the mouth becomes soft and moist. The tongue pushes this food to the back of our mouth. In short, when we eat or take a bite of any type of food, our teeth cut and grind it. Saliva starts to break down carbohydrates present in our food, and when food becomes soft and moist, it is known as bolus, which pushes to the back of our mouth. Next, esophagus. The chewed food is then pushed from the mouth into esophagus. The esophagus is large tube that carries food from the mouth to the stomach. This one shows the esophagus structure. It is a tube-like hollow tube. by which food is passed to the stomach. The esophagus uses wave-like muscular movements to push the food to the stomach. These wave-like movements are peristaltic movements, and the process is called peristalsis. Next, stomach. Our stomach is a large J-shaped muscular bag. Here is J-shaped muscular bag where the food is stored. This is stomach. It mixes the food with digestive juice. The digestive juice begins the digestion of protein as meat, eggs, milk, pulses, etc. The food spends about 4 hours in the stomach. The digestive juice is in stomach also contain an acid. The acid kills the germ present in our food. It also helps in the digestion of proteins. Here is an information. Our teeth are the main tools we use to break down food in mouth. We must take care of them to make them strong. Here are some ways to take care of our teeth. Drink plenty of milk, which makes our teeth strong. Use tree twig, which is known as miswak, or brush to clean the teeth. Next, avoid too much sweets. Now, our copy work. The syllabus is chapter number 1, Human Organ System. Chapter number 6, Structure of an Atom. Chapter number 8, Transmission of Heat. Chapter Profile, Human Organ System. In this chapter, reading, short questions, long questions, exercise, worksheet and test will be done. Starts from short questions. Question number 1. Why are we provided with teeth? Our teeth are the main tools we use to break down food in the mouth. Question number 2. Define digestive system. The answer is the parts of body that take part in the process of digestion form the digestive system. Question number 3. What is the process of digestion? Answer is the process of changing the food into simpler form is called digestion. Our today lecture is completed. I hope you will understand. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.